Hello everyone, I'm Siewk and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this week's Miss Home Xiangjia episode, we shall attempt Penang Char koay kak from scratch. First, you need 195 grams of rice flour, followed by 43 grams of cornstarch. Next, pour in 960 ml of water. Stir well with a whisk. Prepare a pot and heat the solution over medium heat until it comes to a gentle boil. After 5 minutes, the mixture will be thickened to paste consistency. Next, transfer the paste into a greased pan or heat-resistant bowl. Smoothen the surface with a spoon while turning the pan in circular motion. Meanwhile, prepare your steamer. When the water in your steamer is boiling, place your covered tray in it and close the lid immediately. Steam for 1 hour. Remember to add some hot water if your steamer is drying up. After 1 hour, remove tray from steamer. Set aside to cool completely. Refrigerate the steamed rice cake overnight. Next day, cut your rice cake into 3/4 inch cubes. Heat up your pan. Pour a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Pan fry the rice cake until it is slightly dry or brown. It will take around 15 minutes or so. Set aside when it's done. Saute minced 3 cloves of garlic with 3 tablespoons of oil. Then, add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped pickled radish. Saute till fragrant. And we continue by adding the pan-fried rice cubes. Season it with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And pepper and some salt to taste. Crack 2 eggs and mix well with the rice cubes. Lastly, add approximately 200 grams of bean sprouts. This dish is best to be served warm. Here it is, Penang Char koay kak.